This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Use your debugging skills to get Scrat to the acorn. Okay, so just like they were teaching us in the video, in the last section, we got to get to this acorn. Debugging means there's an error. Let me hit run and see what happens. One hop. Okay, good. So what's really nice too is they have the step button. If I hit step, it will run one line of code at a time. So I can think about, all right, that looks good. Let me hit step, and I turned right. That seems, well, wait a minute. Oh, so it's right here. That's going to be an issue. Well, we could do this. Let me put my move forward block here. But I notice I have 5 blocks out of 6, and that means I'm probably going to use 6. Not always, but let's see. Yep, and so I need one more block, and that is probably move forward. Boom, we made it. Awesome. Let's keep going.